BBA करते करते I've developed an interest in digital marketing. So I did a 1 month course, but there was a lack of thing like that high level of knowledge. So I've enrolled for the Internshala digital marketing course. They guarantee the placement.
If you compare yourself with your classmates,
I got lucky. Some of them currently doing MBA from some colleges. Some of them are pursuing some other fields. And I am doing a job. So it gives a lot of confidence when you sit with them and you talk with them. So you can say that I am getting this much paid and I have a team with me who is working under me. So it gives a good confidence.
welcome Sohani and a huge round of applause on getting your dream job in digital marketing. So we have many viewers on Internshala, and through this video, I hope they get tips or steps on how they can find a desired job or internship in their desired field as you did. So for our viewers, Sohani, आप अपना एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड बताइए कि आपने क्या पढ़ाई की है और why did you choose digital marketing as a career option?
Okay, so first of all, hi and thank you for congratulating me. तो मैंने BBA और PGDCA किया है साथ में एंड BBA करते करते I've developed an interest in digital marketing. So I did a 1 month course, but after that I didn't explore much opportunities in the field of digital marketing. So after completion of my BBA and PGDCA, I explored some opportunities, but there was a lack of thing like I didn't have that high level of knowledge and also experience भी कुछ ऐसे practical था नहीं, तो there was some problems. So I thought of doing a course, online course that can help me. So I've enrolled for the Internshala digital marketing course, but I got lucky. While enrolling the course, I also got an internship in my city itself. So it was double beneficial for me. So I was learning through the Internshala also, and I was also getting the practical experience while doing the internship. So it was very good for me.
ग्रेट. सो यू टोल्ड कि आप BBA करते टाइम आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के बारे में पता चला और आपको उसमें इंटरेस्ट भी डेवलप हुआ. तो क्या आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है डिजिटल मार्केटिंग फील्ड में और किस तरीके के बच्चे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग फील्ड में अपना करियर बनाने की सोच सकते हैं?
Okay, so digital marketing, first of all, it is a very growing career because there are multiple opportunities in this field because every company, whether it is a small or big company, they need a digital marketer because it gives you digital presence and this is the need for today. And the main part I like about it, it's a creative field according to me. So there are many options if you want to go into social media role or content creation or SEO. So it gives you a lot of creative thinking. So you can put up your creativity. So I was attracted in it because it was creative, and yeah, I liked most aspects of it.
Okay, so how did you get about digital marketing?
Okay, so one of my friend in my college, she was doing some campus ambassador program for my captain. So she told me that there is a course you can enroll for it. So when I enrolled for it, I got to know basics about digital marketing and everything. So I got interested in this.
Okay. So you mentioned that आपको theory का knowledge था, but obviously to get a job and that to a good job आपको practical knowledge भी बहुत जरूरी होता है. इसके लिए आपने online course करने की सोची. So what made you choose Internshala digital marketing course?
So I was searching for many options that what options could I get. So I got to know about Internshala and the main thing that attracted me the placement guarantee part that attracts a lot of students that they guarantee the placement. And one thing they told that if you put up your efforts, you do the projects on time, do attend the classes, then you will have relevant skills and you will definitely get a job.
तो थोड़ा सा अपना कोर्स का एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बताइए ऑफ Internshala प्लेसमेंट गारंटी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कोर्स.
First of all, I got a call from there, the counseling call basically. So the counselor was very good. He understood that what I am looking for it and he assured me that yes, this is something that is best for you. After that, I've enrolled in the course. There were first introduction sessions in which everyone interacted. We got through basics like who is our course manager, who are our instructors, so everything. Then the live classes were there. The monthly projects are there. There are 8 projects which we do on field. So हम लोगों को पूरा
Okay.
अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है जो हम एक्चुअल में रिसर्च कर रहे हैं जो हम एक्चुअल में देख रहे हैं कि हाउ थिंग्स एक्चुअली वर्क सो द लाइव क्लासेस वर देयर लाइव क्लासेस वर वेरी हेल्पफुल द मेन थिंग आई लाइक इट क्योंकि मैं इंटर्नशिप कर रही थी तो मॉर्निंग मेरे वर्किंग आवर्स होते थे एंड इवनिंग में 7 से क्लासेस होती थी सो दैट वाज वेरी गुड 7 तक मैं घर पहुंच जाती थी देन 7 to 9 द क्लासेस वर देयर सो दैट थिंग रियली हेल्प्ड
ग्रेट। तो जैसे कि इट्स इटसेल्फ अ ग्रेट थिंग कि आप एक इंटर्नशिप कर रहे थे उसके साथ आपने कोर्स किया, तो पहले तो कितना आसान या डिफिकल्ट था आपको टाइम मैनेज करने के लिए, है ना? एंड हाउ डू यू थिंक ये आपका डिसीजन ऑफ डूइंग द कोर्स एंड एन इंटर्नशिप टुगेदर हेल्प यू लैंड दिस जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी?
Okay, so difficult it was starting it was not that difficult but in between when there were projects and there were the recorded videos that I had to watch so it got a bit difficult मैं कोर्स में थोड़ा पेस में पीछे भी हो गई थी क्योंकि मेरे प्रोजेक्ट्स टाइम पे सबमिट नहीं हो पाए थे बिकॉज देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क प्रेशर इन द ऑफिस इटसेल्फ एंड टाइम नहीं होता था एक्चुअल में वीकेंड्स ही होते थे जिसपे एक्चुअल में आई कैन वर्क ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट्स बट या आई गॉट टू लर्न more about time management like how can I manage the both the things it was difficult for me but at the end I thought that if I complete it this will be the best thing for my future because I'll have both the things I have the internship experience and also the course things the knowledge that I am getting from the course so the time that I gave the efforts that I gave at the end it was worth it for me
Okay. तो किस कंपनी में आपने इंटर्नशिप की थी और वो फिर आपने हाउ डिड यू कन्वर्टेड दैट इंटर्नशिप इनटू अ जॉब?
Okay, so the company name is Codit. It's in Raipur, Chhattisgarh itself. So yeah, I've started as an intern here. So I'll say the main thing that got me a job here, my consistent efforts. Like the people, you have to show yourself, like how you are good for them. Like the company, you don't need the company, company should need you. Like you have to create your place there. You have to show that you can do it. Like you are suitable for this role. So I've put consistent efforts here itself, and that helped me to get the job.
So what is your job title now?
It's digital marketing executive.
Great. Okay, so if I ask you like what was your internship job interview experience? How was it? Like किस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे, क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे? क्योंकि जब आप एकदम बिगनर फ्रेशर थे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में, तो आपने किस तरीके की प्रिपरेशन की, किस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे, किस तरीके से आपने अपना रेज्यूमे प्रिपेयर किया?
Okay, so the resume I've prepared with the Intentionala app itself. So I've gone through it many more times. So and also I had 1 month of internship experience before this internship. So it was just 1 month, that why it was not that valuable. But I had some experience, and apart from this, we have some family business. So I used to create some posters and some things for that. So that I had to show as my portfolio that yeah, I have basic knowledge about content creation and social media. I have handled a page of myself. I used to do handmade crafts business. So I had few things to show them that yes, I am relevant for this job role.
Okay, great. So you mentioned that you did 8 projects during your international digital marketing course. तो किसी एक प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में आप बताना चाहें कि क्या प्रोजेक्ट था और कैसे उस प्रोजेक्ट ने हेल्प किया आपको स्किल डेवलप करने में रिक्वायर्ड डिजिटल मार्केटिंग स्किल्स?
Okay, so I'll talk about the first project itself. So the first project was basic about marketing, like what marketing is, what the fundamentals of digital marketing basically. So and that project helped me to learn more about the market research, like how we can conduct the research, what are the brand truths, what are the consumer truths, how you can align your brand goals with the marketing goals, how you can get the better reach out of it. So that project actually I liked it because that was the basics about the marketing, how market research and everything. So that was very helpful for me.
ओके सो अब आपका जो करियर पाथ मैं देखूं वो ऐसा था, आपने अपना पहला कोर्स कंप्लीट किया लाइक बीबीए एंड देन एमबीए यू डिड, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट यू ऑप्टेड फॉर इंटर्नशिप एंड ऑनलाइन कोर्स फॉर स्किल एनहेंसमेंट. तो आपको क्या लगता है इफ़ यू कंपेयर योरसेल्फ विद योर क्लासमेट्स, तो अभी उनके कंपैरिजन में आप कहाँ स्टैंड करते हैं?
So I am standing at a good position because from according to my class, some of them are currently doing MBA from some colleges. Some of them are pursuing some other fields, and I am doing a job. So it gives a lot of confidence when you sit with them and you talk with them. So you can say that, yeah, I am doing this job and I am getting this much paid, and I have a team with me who is working under me. So it gives a good confidence.
So would you recommend your classmates or anyone about to do international digital marketing course, and if yes, why?
Okay, I'll surely recommend because that gives you a good foundation. Because if you are going to pursue this for the future, for your career, so you should have a good foundation. Like a good foundation is very important for like growth and for development of everything. So one of my friend was also asking me that uske bhai ko course karna hai. I recommended him that yeah, this is the course. If he is willing to do online course, he can surely go for it because some people consider offline courses more than the online course. So I told him that if he wants to learn from basics, then this is the best course that he can pursue.
पर क्या आपको लगता है कोई डिफरेंस है ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन में? अगर
I don't think. I think online is better because it's flexible. Like I can watch the videos according to my pace. The timings of the classes were suitable. Actually, there were many people who were working at the time of doing the course, so it's very beneficial for them. If I go for any offline course, I'll have to give 2 hours, and the timing won't be flexible. So I was also searching for offline courses, but the timings were not suitable for me. That's why I opted for online. And I don't think there is any difference in both the things.
ग्रेट. सो अभी आपका जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है एज अ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एसोसिएट?
Okay, so firstly, managing all the social media platforms. I am handling all the social media part and also the content creation. All the content that goes on our social media platforms are being created by me. And also, we have an online team that has been working with us as social media marketing interns, and I'm currently leading them. I am the head there. And apart from this, we are working on all the aspects of digital marketing, like email marketing, ads. So we run certain ads for some campaigns. We also do email marketing. So I'm working on all of the aspects together.
Great. Last question, Suhani. So from your journey, one advice, if you have been asked to give to a college student or a graduate, that how can they start their career, तो वो क्या advice होगी?
Okay, so the advice would be more focus rather than focusing on theoretical part. Theoretical part is very important, we know that, but have some practical experience as well. Create your portfolio. Like you should have something to show to the people who are hiring you that yes, you know this thing, because the market is very competitive, the job market, if we say. So you should have something that stands you out. You should have some portfolio. You should have something that you can show to them that you stand out from others. What makes you different from others? So while doing the college, or if you are a student, if you are in your college, you should definitely gain some extra experience than the other people. That makes you stand out. If you can get an internship, you should do it. If you can create some content, if you want to go into content creation field, you can make some posters, you can keep it there. You should have something that makes you stand out from others, because the market is very competitive.
So, great advice, Suhani. And thank you, Suhani, for sharing your story with us. And I hope our viewers who are listening to this video will surely get motivated and will work hard to achieve their dreams. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me here.
Yeah. Bye bye.